Good morning everyone. As you can see, we're no longer in Australia, we're back in cold England for Christmas. I don't know if you've heard of Red Letter Days at all, but it's where you can buy an experience for someone like drive a tank or go in a sports car or something. Anyway, my dad had one in February for his birthday. We're now 10 months later, almost Christmas, and decided to use it just in case it's got an expiry date. I don't know how much there'll be there to film or whether I can get close enough to actually film something, but I'm bringing my Gopro instead of my Sony camera because it records 60 frames a second instead of 30 that the Sony does. So hopefully if there is anything, you know, I can get close enough to, I can slow motion it and it will look quite clear. That's the plan anyway. Let's see what happens. Right, thank you very much for watching. See you later.
You'll often find as well though with Harry at his age, I'm afraid he hasn't done it today, but normally what we get is he's a bit slower with men than he is with the kids, because your arrival with his girls, who's our rivals yet? They haven't hit that stage yet of being rivals, so you often find that. And that's why when you heard all that screaming going on, he was screaming at Jason, my colleague, because Harry can't stand him because he's a mature male, which means he might take the girls away.